Hello friends, today we are folding and flying. Join us as we seek symmetry in our planes, review folding styles, and test the wind with both hands. Enjoy! Here we go.
Two or five.
Yeah, all the planes are parked. We're gonna fly them to see how good they fly. Yeah, all the planes are parked. We're gonna fly them to see how good they fly. Which plane do you think is gonna fly the best? Alright, we gotta check them out. Pink one. Whoa! This one? How far do you think it's gonna go?
I don't think it's gonna go that way.
Okay, ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa, ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. You do the pink one. You got it? Oh, okay, here's the blue one. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Woo!
Ready? Watch
No.
him.
Okay. Woo!
Pink first, okay? You watching? Here we go. Here's this one's next. Flying with the wind. And this one's next. Blue with some coloring.
Woo!
Here's the purple one. Ready? Whoa. Purple plane. Here we go. Ready? Oh. Okay, pink plane. Ready? How about pink?
Purple.
One. You watching?
Watching.
Here's the blue one. You watching?
Watching.
Ready?
All the way over here. The red button on.
Okay, ready? We're gonna fly with Logan. Fly in. Ready?
2 or 5.
Whoa.
Another.
Ready?
One more.
Whoa.
There it is.
Ready?
Another. One more.
Whoa.
There it is.
Ready? Here we go. Over there. Okay, let's do this one, and then we need to walk back.
Okay.
Ready? Blue? Yeah, the planes are parked. We're gonna fly them to see how good they fly. Which plane do you think is gonna fly